Your balance is not going to improve itself if you just keep doing what you're doing because it's not working anyway right now. So why not try something new? So today I'm going to share with you one of the trainings inside of my 21-day balance training. And I have designed these exercises specifically to target problems that I've seen in students over the years and also things that I struggled with myself. So whether you're a Latin dancer, standard dancer, or you do any other kinds of dancing, this training will be really helpful for you. So let's jump in. We put left foot in front today. Keep your heels in one line, toes turned out, toes spread and on the floor. And here we go. Plie and lift up. Squeeze through the midline of the body. Lower. 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, down and up. Lower. 4, 3, 2, 1. Press into your toe knuckles and lower. 4, 3, 2, 1. And lift through the crown of your head. Lower. 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep it going. Lower. 4, 3, 2, 1. As you lower, feel like you're like a candy wrapper being tied up really strong in your waist. So your waist is getting smaller as you lower your heels. Yes, keep it going. Lower. 4, 3, 2, 1. And try not to lift your big toe. If you feel your big toe lifting, then actively press it down. Yes, good. Weight stays in the middle. Last one. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. One foot in front of you, ball of the foot on the floor, and we're just going to lift up onto the ball of the foot, lower, and lift, lower, and lift, slow lower, and lift. Good. Counting 1, 2, lower, 3, 4. 1, 2, lower, 3, 4. Control that landing. Good. Keep facing me. Just turning my angle slightly so you can see the lift of my heel. Good. Keep it going. Legs stay straight. Squeeze that butt like crazy. This is a classic spiral position. And last one. Good. Switch sides. Other foot in front. Ball of foot on the floor and lift up and lower. So you might put your foot slightly forward if you feel like it's hard for you to lift. And lower. So when you lift up, your front calf should touch your back shin. Yeah? There you go, from the side. Lift up. Good. See how lift up, it touches. And lift, lower. Yes, standing leg stay straight. Try to keep energy in the inside thigh. Last one. Good job. Left foot forward this time. Good. From here, we're going to start balls of the feet and then push off. Balls of the feet and push off. Again, slow landing of that back heel. Keep that back big toe pressing down. So you don't roll onto the outside edge of your foot, which disturbs and throws your balance off. Both legs straight, squeeze your thigh, feel like your thighs are lifting up. Last one. Nice, and then this time we're gonna go forward. Forward. Balls of the feet, lower the front heel. Balls of the feet, lower the front heel. Again, front big toe pressing down. A lot of ankle strength here. Yes, rolling through. Front foot, which is what we need for all our dances. Keep it going. Last one. Good. Switch your legs out. Heels in one line, slightly at an angle. Okay, so balls of the feet, lower the back heel. See how my weight stays facing forward. I want my energy of my back pushing forward as I release my back heel down. Yes. Keep it going. Feel free to slow down as you need to, but not speed up. There you go. A lot of calf work. Last one. Good. And then we're going to switch to forward. Forward. There you go. I'm going to slow it down on this side. Slowly lower the front heel, lift the back foot. Feel that control. Rolling through the feet. This is what you need for your dancing not to look bouncy, and also for you to handle dancing in your heels. Yes, relax your fingers, relax your neck. Just push through the crown of your head, shoulders down into your back. All of that Latin posture. Last one. Standing leg rotations. Back ball of the foot on the floor. And we go. Knee, this time, to the ankle. Rewind, and knee to the ankle. Keep your chest pushing forward. Knee to the ankle. Back toe can stay on the floor the whole time. Make sure your front foot is pressing down into your big toe so you're not rolling to the outside edge of the foot. Yes. Good. Keep with it. Last one. Good. And we'll switch. Other foot behind you. Make sure your toes are pointing out. And here we go. Knee to the ankle. And my knee comes in. Squeeze your thighs slightly. The standing leg is working a lot. And knee to the ankle. Good. Make sure your posture is tall so you're not slouching when your knee comes in. And big toe still pressing into the floor to support your standing leg. We have one more. Here we go. Knee, ankle. Champions, give it up. Give yourself a pat on the back. Good job. This series is inside of my Hips and Heels dance app, but I just wanted to share 5 minutes of that with you here on YouTube. And the membership not only gives you that training, but also my Be Balanced series, how to get balance while dancing in high heels. I do a variety of different dance skill exercises to help you calibrate your body, improve your balance, your flexibility, your strength, and your ankles, and all parts of your body. And of course, there's also step-by-step technique courses for the different Latin dance styles as well. There is just so much to learn, too much to list, so I invite you to just come and try it out for yourself. 7-day free trial, no risk. Come learn as much as you can, see how you like it. I'll see you inside Hips and Heels.